Peace family, it's Cream aka K-Mac, back again with another video, and today we're going to be showing you how to order a ZBlackCard.
Peace. All right, guys, so let's get right into it. So what we're first going to do, we're going to go to ZBlackCard HQ, like headquarters.com. All right, and I guess, and here we go. This is the beginning process to order. All right, this will bring you to a landing page, which, by the way, I made this landing page with the Conversion Pros. All right, which is the software we like, as I said. So for any business, regardless if you're marketing online, the Conversion Pro is going to allow you to move with whatever opportunities may come your way, or you know, just so many benefits to having that marketing suite. It's ridiculous, like I said, drag and drop system, but we went through that a couple videos ago. We could revisit that later if you like. This is a CEO from Mr. Troy Mason. So this is how you order the card. You would come ZBlackCardHQ.com. It's going to bring you to this page, right, which I made myself. And, you're going to, yes, I want to learn more, and enter your name, your email, and your phone number. Hit order today. You can also reach me on Facebook or YouTube. And if you like I said in another video, I did say I was going to show you guys how to build a landing page from scratch, but we could go through that, and also I'll show you how to add your social media links in that page as well. And also, if we look up here, right here, you can see that too there. I do also have my pixel inserted, right? So we spoke about that before. So, all right, but this gives you the information here. All right, so you'll enter that, and then you'll hit order yours today. If we hit it now, it's going to say, please enter name, email, valid phone number. But you'll hit that, and it'll bring you to this page. All right, so as I said, it brings us to this page here. It just says, simple. Again, this is a funnel, right? Simple funnel. We went from one page to the next, and this one, simply tells us first page was a capture page or a landing page. And this brings us to our thank you page. Thank you for visiting. Short message. This is what I created. You may create something different if you choose. All right, so to bring us here, simple two-step process. Now from here is where, again, I have my social media info here. This link will bring you to either one. But if I hit order my new ZBlackCard, so say if the person is ready now, they can do so. And it'll bring them here. You see my name here, Kareem McAfee. That's my code, XJE. And so doing so, you see that, and you'll be able to get one of these lovely things, right? So the ZBlackCard all metal premium debit card. It doesn't, the credit is not required, and of course it has that sound that we all have come to love. That 28 grams of success in your hands. All right, and it's so simple. You would order your metal card today. Hit the button there. And by doing so through this link, my information is already included. And by joining through me, you're going to have, number one, I shared it with you, so I would appreciate it. And then number one, you'll have access to me as far as any questions you may have. I'll do some of the legwork for you, and I'll basically be your tour guide. I'll assist you. So you'll want to enter your email here, simple, and then pick a card design. Now, as you see, with the card design, this is all inclusive except for the shipping and handling, which is $9.99, and that'll be added to your order. Stop, sorry. That'll be added to your order. I'm sorry. That'll be added to your order at the end. So this is the one I have here, right? This is when I say the one I have, the design that I have here, the order rewards card, right? It has the card design on it. I kind of like that one. You can get this one. They all do the same thing. It's just, your preference. So there goes a few different designers. This is kind of cool, young entrepreneurs. And like I said, now there is an opportunity with this, and you see here, salute to the veterans. And then we have here for the red bottle card, right? That's again, this is exclusive. Like I said, other than that, you can go into Walgreens, and get a plastic one off the shelf that everybody in the neighborhood got, or you could get this exclusive one here, right? Like I said, heavy metal. This is to set you apart, but also this is in itself is a business. You could literally leave a legacy. I haven't even got into that portion of it yet, but literally this is something that you can grow a residual income from. And just say this: say even if you're not interested in the business, you'll still earn a percentage of the proceeds from the people that you personally refer. So say if you get it, your family member, your friends are interested, you refer them, you'll still have a link, and you'll earn based off your assistance in help building the company. Because that's what we're doing. We're allowing you to take part in building this company. All right, so again, there's a MasterCard is accepted everywhere. MasterCard is accepted. So after that, that's simply it. You'll enter your email, hit continue. You'll choose your card design, and it just will add $9.99 for the shipping and handling. All right, really, guys, it's really as simple as that. And again, this is Kareem, aka K Mac, and I'll follow up with you guys tomorrow. All right, peace.